This is the definitive guide to resolving Microsoft Edge no sound on YouTube in Windows 11. Having personally encountered this frustrating audio silence, I have meticulously tested numerous solutions to pinpoint the most effective methods, which I will now share with you. We begin with method 1, which focuses on ensuring your system's volume mixer isn't muting Edge specifically. This is crucial because sometimes applications can be silenced individually without affecting the global volume. Resetting Edge settings then provides a clean slate, removing any corrupted configurations that might be preventing audio playback. Clearing the browser cache and updating Edge itself address potential data conflicts and outdated software respectively, both common culprits for media playback failures. Disabling extensions is vital as third-party add-ons can interfere with website functionality, including audio streams. Finally, checking Windows audio settings confirms the operating system is correctly configured to output sound. Method 2 delves deeper, adjusting site permissions to ensure Edge is allowed to play audio on YouTube, and updating audio drivers is paramount as outdated or corrupt drivers are a frequent cause of sound issues across applications. Running the Windows Audio Troubleshooter automates diagnostic checks, while examining Edge flags can reveal experimental features that might be inadvertently causing conflicts. Restarting the audio service refreshes the system's audio processes, and a clean reinstall of Edge ensures no residual files are causing problems. Method 3 verifies your primary playback device is correctly selected and that no network settings are inadvertently blocking audio data, while checking sound drivers and disabling audio enhancements ensures the audio pipeline is clear. Updating Windows itself often includes crucial audio driver patches. Method 4 focuses on Edge's specific media playback settings, ensuring they are correctly configured, and reinstalling audio drivers offers a robust solution if they are severely corrupted. Adjusting application volume within Windows and verifying the default device ensures your system is directing sound correctly. Testing in incognito mode or another browser help isolate the issue to Edge itself.